I'm Arishti Sheth from Ecolin Tweet Lab, and today my team and I are going to show you how to create a Happy Diwali light painting. It's very simple. All you need to keep in mind are these simple 4 steps. Step 1. Choose a good location. Like you can see, we're right opposite the Bandra Worli ceiling here in Mumbai. Step 2. Create your own light brush. It's very simple. All you need to do is have a regular torch and cover it with tracing paper. Step number 3. Whichever camera you have, whether it's a DSLR or a mobile phone, ensure that you change the settings to make sure you receive a long exposure. That's all you need to capture this photo right. Step number 4. You're all ready to go rolling on the camera. Keep your light brush ready in the hand, start your camera, make sure there is a good distance, and write the letters in the air. Start and stop every time you do a new letter and make sure you're writing it ulta. For example, if I need to write a P, I will write it like that and not like this. Hoping this video helps you and you all create beautiful light paintings and have a super happy Diwali.